What's up, guys? Want to give you a tour of the finished product here. Ford F350 vinyl wrapped in 3M liquid copper. Give you a full walk around of this truck. We just finished this up. Customer's coming to pick it up right now. Color is awesome. This thing had some single stage, pretty rough paint on it. We sanded down a lot of it, clean up the edges. We did some two-tone with some black there in the bumper. Cleaned up a lot of the overspray that was done by the previous paint job in the wheel wells, undercarriage, all that good stuff. Truck really came out really nice. Nice gloss, great color, fits the truck perfect. You guys have any questions about vinyl wraps or would like to get your car, truck wrapped, give us a call, 860-326-5289. Visit our website, 88customs.com. Facebook, 88 Customs, Instagram, 88 Customs, all spelled out. Wrap your car, your truck, motorcycle, whatever you need. Really cool project. All right, guys, catch you on the next one.